Hey, Nitro. Hey. What you doing, huh? Anong nasa likod mo? Ano nasa likod mo? Oh? Hindi. Nasa likod mo. Ano yun? Ano yung nasa likod mo? Ano yun, baby? Ano yun? Ha? Ano yun? Oh, that's a big ilaw, no? Ang laki ng ilaw na yan. Hello, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Baby. Hello. Ikaw yun, diba? Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan, mga Maxis pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo. Ngayon, Dwantro Fam, papakita ko sa inyo yung bagong studio natin. So, we're gonna go from this to this! You know, ito yung studio lighting natin! Yee! What do you think, Kelly? Do you think the studio light is cool?
Astig.
Astig. You know, astig, diba? Alright, so I'm still sort of trying to figure it out. Oh, diba, may shadow sa likod ko. Hindi maganda yun. I have to arrange the lighting para maganda, no? Ayun! Parang inayos ko na. Ayun. Ang ganda, diba? So, ituturo ko kayo kung paano ko ginawa ito. Kita-kits after the intro.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey baby, what you doing out here? Huh? What you doing? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Halaka.
Dwaine, you saw the house.
Why? What happened?
The house is...
Holy crap. Seriously?
Yeah, see? We've been there.
Oh,
We were
what?
there.
Holy crap. May baha dito sa Australia ngayon. Grabe.
We've been there.
Nakatakot, no? Hey, baby. Buti na lang nasa Queensland tayo, no? Walang baha, no? Diba, baby? That is pretty scary stuff, isn't it, baby? Yes. Nakatakot talaga. So, guys, yes. Stay safe sa mga nasa South Australia. Nakatakot, baby, no? Ito yung studio natin. Ayan. So, this is our bedroom. Dito kami natutulog. Ayan, yun yung higaan namin. I'm gonna close this door. Sandali lang, ha? Sandali lang, baby, ha? Ayun, okay. So, ito po siya. Yun! Basahin nyo. Dwanta! You know? Dwanta Studio! Yee-hoo! So, meron po tayong mga LED light dito. Nilagay ko dito. It's a USB plug-in LED light. Tsaka, binili ko to sa IKEA. So, that there is a lamp. Pero we put LED lights sa loob ng lamp na yan. Yes, okay. Hinawakan na ni Nitro ang camera. Hawak there. Yes. There you go. Very good. You're vlogging na. Very good, baby. Alright guys, eto siya. Yes, ito na siya. Bagong studio natin. Diba, baby Nitro? Pretty cool, huh? Maganda yung setup natin. Maganda yung lighting natin, no? Yeah. Guys, I want to show you this as well. Okay, so we installed these shelves na nandito. Ayun. Yes. Teka lang ha, i-on ko yung main light dito para makita nyo. Okay guys, so this is our Dwanta background with our illumination. Ito po yung shelves na naset up ko. Ayun. So we have the YouTube play button on the top. Yun yung pinaka-astig. Yes, diba, baby? We also have yung award nung nanalo ako ng You're My Foreigner. Oni Pulaga. We also have the comic book that I made starring my family. And on this side, we have some nostalgia. Ito po yung Pokemon. Mahilig ako sa Pokemon nung bata pa ako. We have 2 Game Boys that I used to play with, me and my brother. And then mga Game Boy games. Dito naman, we have all the board games na gusto ko. Dungeons and Dragons, yung mga lumang board game, Hero Quest, Space Crusade, and then Gloomhaven. Yes, I like fantasy style board games. So, eto po yung parang man cave ko. Kawawa si Shanta, wala siyang woman cave. Ako may man cave dito mismo sa bedroom namin. Eh, bebe, yes. Si Nitro, hindi siya natutulog dito. Natutulog siya sa kapitbahay. Kapit kwarto. Okay, eto siya. Alright, so labas tayo dito. Eto na siya. Eto yung room ni Nitro. Yes, eto siya. It's a very peaceful room. Very, very peaceful. Hey, baby. Ayun, no? Ito po siya. Yes. Baby Nacho, it's your bedroom. Dito po siya natutulog. Ayan. So, kapag umiiyak siya, we can hear him. Kasi malapit lang naman siya, di ba? Ayun. Ganda, di ba? He also has, a breastfeeding chair there for Mami Shanta. And then he has some toys dito. Dito yung mga laruan niya. Yes, at saka mga nappies nandito. So, ito yung mga damit niya. Nandito yung mga damit niya. Oh, di ba? So, ganyan po muna yung setup ng bahay namin. Kasi, yung setup namin dito sa bahay ng magulang ko. Kasi, matagal pa yung bahay namin at ipapatayo namin sa lupa namin. Hey, bebe. Yes, matagal pa yan. Mga katapusan ng 2021 pa. Kaya dito na muna kami mag-set up. Kasi mabait naman yung mga magulang ko.
Trying to touch the camera, aren't you? Hinahawakan mo yung camera, no? Yes. Hala, hinahawakan mo. Oh, you got it! Oh! You got it, didn't you? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, nahanap mo na. Hala ka.
Ayun! So, eto na siya, Dwantro Fam. Check that out. Stig, no? Maganda. So, I'm super happy with that. It probably could be a little bit better, no? Pero, parang okay na yun, no? Parang sakto lang para sa room na to. Tsaka may man cave pa ako. May konting man cave. Yeah, so eventually we'll get settled into a new house at maging mas maayos yung kalagayan namin na hindi kalat-kalat o magulo. We can have our own space and that's where we can really thrive and be productive. Kasi para sa akin, kailangan ako ng schedule. Kailangan ko talaga ng schedule para maging productive. So, dito sa room na to, nag-set up na kami ng parang studio namin. Mas makakapag-video ako, mas comfortable na ako mag-edit dito sa office desk na to. Yes, it's a big wide office desk. So, yun. Maging ayos na. We can get back to doing regular videos na. So, yun. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. And bago natin tatapusin ang video na to, we have some Dwantro Fam shoutouts to do. So I'm gonna move over here and we're gonna display the names right there. Eto po sila. Shane Ransborg, Tradex General Trading LLC, Dags Len and Salty, Haley and Hashley Sisters, Rosel Ruiz Nofke, Regina Sierri's Art Shop, Zitrofeld, Da Ramis, Kicks Sticks, Swiss Humanity, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, the Urupino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Ramsey Family, DXMT, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Von Thien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Dwantro. Bye for now.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
You're a beautiful